Hey, you guys, before we get into this video, I just want to remind you, I know government contracting can be somewhat challenging, but don't forget you have Ask Michelle B. Just click on the link in the comment section to ask me a question. I will respond to you personally, and I will also put it out to the audience for everyone because most of the time we all have the same questions, or it's a question that's probably going to come up during your government contracting journey. Ask me anything you want to know anytime. And please don't forget to subscribe. So Philomena's last question is, what are my NAICS code numbers for accounting services? I learned that I can use multiple, but what if the nature of the business is not on the list? For example, bookkeeping. So Philomena, I'm going to demonstrate for you in one of the videos how to make sure you're finding your right codes. That would be at NAICS.com. You put in some keywords and then you'll get the codes that you should use for your SAM registration. But before you go to your SAM registration, as I said, you're going to use those codes to go to USA Spending just to make sure you're seeing contracts that have been previously awarded this year under those codes. Then, if you see contracts, those codes are good, then you're going to go on to register your business in SAM. Okay, so now, Philomena, I'm going to show you what you need to do when you come to NAICS.com. This is where you're going to find your codes. You're going to click on the link right here, find your codes. Then you're going to type in some keywords like accounting. And then it should give us a list of the appropriate NAICS codes that you should be using. So here are the codes: 541219, 423, 420. This one is for, merchant wholesale machines. So maybe you should not use that one. Other general government support, you could use that one. Offices of certified public accountants, even if you're not a CPA, some of the opportunities don't require that. So you could actually use all of these codes with the exception of 423, 420. Now, you would start there. Those are some of the codes you would use, those 3 codes. I also know that they put a lot under 541611, which is consulting and management, administrative management. So this is what you would do. If you want to try some other keywords, you would try, for instance, bookkeeping, like you asked, and see what that gets you. Okay, other accounting services, basically it shows the same thing. So this is where you start, Philomena. And then I will give you the link to order your PSC codes, your product service codes, because you need those too to put in your SAM. You don't have to have them, but when you have the better codes in your system, not only does it help you to find contracts for yourself, it helps contracting officers to find you as well.